Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nida Alfina. I'm from C class. In this video, I want to talk about the young learners. So, because we talk about the young learners, I want to show you the media to teach the young learners. So, the media that I use here is folding poster. So, folding poster is like that. This is very interesting media. I think it's very simple media because if you ask a teacher, you can bring it anywhere and then you can put in your bag because it's very simple. So guys, if you want to know how to make folding poster and then how to playing in the classroom, I mean like how to teach the young learners with folding poster, you can watch my video until the end. So, let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning students. Miss wanna ask you, how do you feel today? Good? Yes, Miss good too. So students, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Start. Finish. So students, today Miss brings something. Do you know the name of this one? Talita? No, this is not paper. Yeah, Miss wanna tell you, this is folding poster. Yeah, do you look? In this poster, many picture. Yeah, this is animal. So now Miss wanna ask you. Miss wanna ask. Okay, Randy. Randy, do you have pet in your house? Kucing. The English of kucing is cat. Yeah, alright. Cat. Now Miss wanna ask, Saskia. Saskia, do you have pet? No. Why? Oh, you don't like pet? Okay, it's okay. Okay, now Now, I want to show you the picture in this folding poster. Okay, we want to learn about animal. We want to learn about animal, kinds of animal. Okay, now please look this picture. Okay, look this picture. This is the name of this picture is snake. Okay, please repeat after me. Okay, snake, snake. Please, Saskia, repeat. Snake. Yeah, alright. Very good. This is snake. Okay, next is pig. 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 Alright. The picture is like that. So if you see this one in the zoo or in anywhere, the name of in this picture is pig. Yeah? Understand? Alright. Okay, next is butterfly. Butterfly. One more. Butterfly. It's can flying. It's very fun. Next is this one. It's familiar animals. Yeah. Then we have cat. Okay. You can read cat. Okay. Cat. Cat. It's very cute, right? Yeah, like you. It's very cute. Okay. Next is cow. 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 Alright? Do you know? Do you ever look this animal before? Yeah. Yes, it's familiar animal too. Next is chicken. 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 Chicken is like that. So if you look this animal, the name of the animal is chicken. Do you understand? Okay. Mia, do you understand? Yes? Okay. Next, we are going to the part 2. Yeah. Okay, next. We want to read again. This is elephant. 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 Yeah, the picture is like that. Elephant has big body. Like that. Okay. Next is fish. 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 Fish have many colors in this picture, right? Yeah, okay. Next, it is monkey. 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 Okay? Next, we are going to this picture. This picture is dog. Please, Randy, repeat after me. Dog. Dog. Dog like this. If you look this picture or if you look dog in real life, dog like this. So you don't be confused, okay? Next is tiger. 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 Tiger is like that. Do you look? Alright. Okay, the last is bat. Bat. Okay, students, after we learned about the kinds of animals, now it's time to playing game. Yeah, are you happy? Well, are you ready to play the game? Yeah, if you're ready, let's start. So students, now Miss wanna give you the rules, yeah? You should be listen carefully. The first, you should be remember about all the picture in here. Secondly, Miss give you clue about the animal. Then you should be guess what the animal. So, if you know, please raise your hand. So, if you answer with the correct answer, Miss give you this one. Okay, for the example, I live in the water. I have a colorful in this picture. Yeah, ready? Okay, what am I? What? Fish. Alright, the answer is fish. Okay, the first clue are I have a big body. I have a big body. I have a trunk. I have a trunk. I have a big ear. I have a big ear. The last, my color in this picture is gray. Okay, okay, okay. Ready? What is the animal? What? Elephant. Alright. Okay, give applause for Randy. Okay, Randy, this is for you. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, we are next to the next question. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Okay, the clue is I like eat banana. I live in the land. I like climbing. Okay, one more. In this picture, I am smile. Okay, okay, Radit. What the answer? What the animal? What? Monkey? Oh, the answer is right, but you can read this one, not monkey. Miss explained before, you can read this one, monkey. Okay, do you understand? Okay, this is for you. Okay, this is the last question. Yeah, you should be prepared. Okay, the clue is I live in the night. I can fly. I can fly. And then I'm sleep during the day. I'm sleep during the day. Okay, one more. My color in this picture is black. Okay, Novera, what is? Okay, what? But, alright, give applause. Yeah, the answer is but. Yeah, the picture is like this. So, Novera get the gift. This is for you. Okay, my student. Today we have to learn about kinds of animals with folding poster. We have to playing the games with folding poster. Now time is up. So my students, I think enough for this lesson today. Thank you for your nice attention. I do hope you are remember about this material, the material about kinds of animals. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.